when you're calculating a percentage, you have to calculate from semester 1 to semester 6. If you're coming to a 3-year law course, for the 5 years law course, for the 5 years law course, it is on the basis of your 12th standard. So for the 3 years, semester 1 to semester 6, so whatever is the exact percentage, for example, it is 86.14, that only should be mentioned in your CAP application form also. You cannot say it is 86.13. If it is 13, then there is a discrepancy which the CET will come up with, and then the college can reject your application according to the CET rules and regulations. So if your degree is of 3 years course, 4 years course, or 5 years course, so you have to calculate all the percentage full marks from semester 1 to the last semester, and then put your percentage in the CAP application form. If there is a discrepancy, even a minute point discrepancy, the CET can reject your application and the admission will not be granted.
सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन अच्छे से भरो, ठीक है, डंडे पड़ेंगे नहीं तो.
So when we are verifying the marks, if there is discrepancy, we have to wait for CET to rectify. So that process gets delayed.
Okay.
That is one problem that we find.
The second problem is relating to the marks which are being there. So when the college gives them the consolidated mark list, their percentage is different. It's different, and the students just calculate the percentage of their semester 5 and semester 6, and that's where the difficulty to the students is also there.
So guys, all these kind of issue they should not face, because it is very difficult to check all the documents minutely. Okay, तो जो भी information आप fill कर रहे हो प्रॉपरली फिल करो. कैप राउंड को लेकर वी हैव ऑलरेडी मेड द वीडियो. डॉक्यूमेंट्स का लगेगा, कन्वर्जन सर्टिफिकेट कैसे बनाते हैं, सब वीडियोस वी हैव ऑलरेडी मेड. प्लीज़ गो एंड वॉच दैट वीडियो. उसके बाद फॉर्म फिलिंग करो. कोई भी मिस्टेक प्लीज़ अवॉइड करो. 2 बार वीडियो देख लो, उसके बाद आराम से फॉर्म भरो. देयर आर मेनी इशूज कमिंग अप विद रिगार्ड्स टू द डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन. Anything else?
Yeah, and one more thing, that candidate must also know that once they upload the document doesn't mean that it is final. It is for the institution to verify, and if there are mistakes, they have to rectify from their part, because that time college becomes helpless when a wrong document is uploaded. So we'll be helpless at that particular point of time.
सो प्रॉब्लम मतलब जो अपलोड करते डॉक्यूमेंट क्लियर नहीं होता, विजिबल नहीं होता है कि क्या?
No, not that, sir. Actually, what happens is candidates are having a feeling once the CET website it is uploaded, it is final. Then the
Okay.
college is only a secondary organization that we have no words to say. It's not like that. Full responsibility is on the college to verify.
Okay.
Otherwise, college will be at fault.
Okay.
In later stage, when that mistake comes out to CET cell, finally the college is going to be in trouble. So we are very strict with the document verification part, so that if any problem is there, students can rectify it during that CAP round.
Okay.
Otherwise it becomes difficult. Maybe after a few years, if something happened, college cannot take that risk.
राइट राइट. सो ऑल द स्टूडेंट जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स आप अपलोड कर रहे हो, 2 बार अच्छे से चेक कर लो. इट शुड बी विजिबल, नंबर 1. नंबर 2, इट शुड बी राइट ऑल्सो. एंड अगर आपने रॉन्ग डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट किया, आपका एडमिशन कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड यू विल बी सफरिंग फॉर 1 ईयर. अगले साल CT आएगा. सो डोंट डू दैट. ओके. एंड जो भी आपके स्कोर आए हुए हैं, मतलब अगर आपका 98.01 डेसिमल में स्कोर है, तो वो भी डेटा एज इट इज़ आप अपलोड करो सिटी सेल के ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे, जब भी आप कैप का फॉर्म भर रहे हैं. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट द मेजर मिस्टेक स्टूडेंट्स आर डूइंग. इफ यू विल डू दिस मिस्टेक, you will be in trouble. So don't do it.
Basically, all the entries should be properly filled in and cross-checked twice.
Right.
Be it name, be it percentage, be it minority or any other reserve category, कुछ भी any entry should be double checked.
डबल चेक. 2 बार इन्फॉर्मेशन फिल करके फिर चेक करना, अदरवाइज योर करियर विल बी इन ट्रबल. ओके. मैंने बोल
Even
दिया.
the name, they fill up wrong names.
Name and
Like
all
they
also.
change their name on their own wish, and then finally when we verify the document with the CET application, name in the document will be different and it will be different. So if they are changing their name, there is a process, or
Right.
they have to upload it.
सो वॉट एवर नेम इज मेंशन इन योर डॉक्यूमेंट, ठीक है. अगर आपका नाम है फॉर एग्जांपल सुरेश रमेश प्रजापति फॉर एग्जांपल, तो सुरेश इज योर नेम एंड रमेश इज योर फादर नेम, और आपका सरनेम जो है वो प्रजापति है. तो आप जैसा आपके 12th के सर्टिफिकेट पे या 10th के सर्टिफिकेट पे जो नाम लिखा हुआ है, उसी फॉर्मेट में इन्फॉर्मेशन भरो आप, ठीक है. अलग से ऐसा कुछ भी इन्फॉर्मेशन डालोगे तो यू विल बी इन ट्रबल. ओके.